Welcome to the ultimate Sami Dolls Baby Doll collection. In this video we're sewing a pair of bloomers for the baby doll. You'll find the link to the pattern in the video description. The needed materials are listed here. I like to finish the raw bottom edge of the bloomers to make it easier to fold over the edge for the elastic casing. This step is not necessary, just convenient. We now fold over the raw edge first, and then we fold it again a little wider to make it wide enough for the elastic casing. We pin the fabric in place. Sew close to the edge to make sure the casing is wide enough for the elastic. After sewing the elastic tunnel, we can take our bodkin or safety pin and hook it to the 5-inch elastic piece. We pull the elastic through the casing. We tack the elastic in place on both ends to make sure it does not slip out. Then we can fold the leg pieces right sides together and pin them into place. Next, we sew the leg seams. We turn one of the leg pieces inside out and stick it into the other leg piece right sides facing and pin it into place. Then it's time to sew the crotch seam. Now we can pull the one leg outside of the other one again. I like to finish the raw top edge of the bloomers, which is not necessary, just makes it easier to fold the raw edge over for the elastic casing. We turn the pants inside out, fold over the top edge of the bloomers twice, and pin it into place. We sew along the edge close to the fold to make a casing wide enough for the elastic. We are leaving a gap to pull the elastic through. Now we can pull the elastic through with our bodkin or safety pin. We sew the ends of the elastic together. Now we can close the gap that we left open to pull the elastic through, and our lovely bloomers are finished.